I've got an absolute belter. Well, I say belter, it was good for you, it's not so good for me. So, it's a 2004 BMW 320 M Sport actually. It belonged to a builder who used it as his second car for his dogs, basically. He used this to go up and down the country, travelling to and from building sites in his dirty work gear, and also to take his dogs out because he didn't want to take his dogs in the nice car. This thing is filthy. Look at this in here. It is gross. So, look at this right in here under the seats. Dog hair, it's all trampled in, dirt everywhere. Just filth. Now bearing in mind, this is actually quite a decent, it's a nice car this, it's just been neglected. It's just filthy. Look at that, that's coffee stains, and there's a big rip here. I'll maybe try and stitch that up or something, but apart from that, there's not really much I can do with that. The back, well, you look for yourself. It's filthy in there. That's what happens when you let your dogs play in your car. It looks like his kids have been wanting to be a Picasso or something like that. They've drawn all over the seats. A better view there. I mean, it's just been neglected. It's absolutely filthy. Dusty, dirty. Horrible. Look at the dust on here. It's just thick bit. Now the outside's actually better than the inside, to be honest with you, but that doesn't mean it's great. You can't really see it, but there's scratches all over it and under the dirt. Look at the dirt on it. That's no good practice, that, by the way. I know before somebody points at it. Scratches on the doors, pretty much every panel scratched, to be honest with you. Now we've got to buff all that out. Let's get it cleaned. Okay, so we've got the seats out, so you can get a better look at them and see how filthy they are. They sure haven't been cleaned for a long time, that's for sure. Imagine letting it get that bad though. I mean, I know he was a builder, but flipping heck. And a look inside to, well, that was under the passenger seat. Look at that. You'd think they'd been keeping horses in here. Look at how clean the carpet is though, where we've removed the back seat. That's what it's supposed to look like. Absolutely disgusting. Well, let's carry on. Right guys and girls, finally that's this one done. What a difference in there. It's amazing what a bit of elbow grease and some soap can do. It's looking great in here. The armrest, I'm going to do another wee video on that, and I'm going to try and do something with that seat bolster as well, but that's nothing to do with the cleaning stage. This video was all to do with the cleaning. So, what a difference. There's going to be another video. I've actually purchased this car off the person that had it. I'm going to do a few videos on like scratch removal and things like that on it. So if you want to see them, they'll be coming up in the coming weeks. But the main thing was getting it clean before we can do anything else. So I'm glad you've tuned in. I hope you enjoyed the video. As an aside to that, I'm quite intrigued as to where everybody's from. If you'd like to comment below, tell me where you're from. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching guys and girls. Bye.